Saturn V, we're going to be building this out of Lego. The Saturn V Rocket. It is an incredible beast of a Lego model and also a beast of a rocket in real life. I have it set up on the table behind me in different stages. I thought that was really cool how Lego actually showed the different stages and illustrated that on the back of the package as well. As you can see, it looks really, really nice. The artwork is incredible. I will be keeping this box forever. The Apollo 11 mission was probably the most famous in 1969, where Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong got to walk on the moon for the first time. Ding, 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 ding. There were 15 Saturn V rockets built in total. 13 of them launched and 2 of them weren't launched. Bianca, my wife, and I went to the Kennedy Space Center and got to see a real Saturn V. It is an absolute beast. It's 110.6 meters in length, which is about 363 feet in total. You just can't fit the whole thing in your peripheral. It is that big.
Can you believe that? Perhaps even, let's compare it to the size of my head. Andre,
the week before that, we were actually at Volcano Bay in Universal Orlando, and we went on one of these things called a drop slide. It was the scariest thing I've ever done. You go up right to 38 meters and you stand on a platform, and the platform drops and you almost free fall at 70 degrees. It's terrifying. That was 38 meters. Imagine how tall this was, almost 3 times taller. Imagine being one of the astronauts strapped into that capsule as it accelerated away from the Earth. Quite a special thing. I really enjoyed this build. I hope you enjoy the stop motion. It took me about 3 hours and 20 minutes. Take care.
This is our last song. Thanks very much. Has begun, and he'll be back when the time is right. No time for lovers and no time for fun. There's a particular dangerous life, but she only got to show you, cause she's just dying to find out why nobody else is when she knocks at the door. She's alone in the world, but she's standing tall with these rockets on her brain. She don't understand the flight of the mission man. Carry the world till it's yours. I'm just dying for your cause. You don't understand the flight of the mission man. Oh, the flight of the mission man. 7:30 military command, patiently waiting for his aircraft to land. I saw him running from the enemy guns. Or was it running from love? I don't know. She only got to show you. She's just trying to find out why. Opens the letter and she falls to the floor. She's alone in the world, but she's standing tall with these rockets on her brain. She don't understand the flight of the mission man. You carry the world till it's yours, but she's dying for your cause. She don't understand the flight of the mission man. Oh, the flight of the mission man.
very
Thank you
much.
very much. Thanks very much. Good night. We're Crash Symphony.
See you later.